Hey everybody, it's Eric Stark with Radio Arizona RV in Victor, Montana. And today we're going to be looking at the Easy Coupler sewer hose made by Valterra. Now this is a kit, this is a 10-foot kit. Now these are pretty cool hoses. Now you can see that it's got the rotating fitting here. So that spins on the end here. It's got the fitting on there. I'm not going to take it off, but this end rotates, makes it a little bit easier to hook up. This end doesn't though, it's just rigid, but the fittings do come on the hose, which makes it kind of nice. So you're not trying to stretch out a hose and get it on there and put on the clamps, or even screwing it on with the Valterra's red fittings that work pretty well. So this hose is pretty nice. It's an 18mm thick hose. So it's not, super heavy duty. It's probably on the lower end of the spectrum, but it's the kit, which is nice. Now this hose is still a good hose though. Don't be fooled because it's 18mm. And this is a 10-foot kit. So this, hook up to the side of your RV or the dump valve. And this is going to go to the ground. That'll give you 10 feet. They do have a 5-foot extension hose, so that'll give you 15 or 5 more feet, turn into 15. And what's cool about this is you go from 10 feet and it collapses to 25 inches. Can you see that? 25 inches, that's pretty darn good. That's just 2 feet. And they also have a 20-foot kit. Pretty big box here. But, so it's basically two 10-footers. This comes with a 10-foot extension that you can buy separately, or you can buy the 5-foot extension. So this basically becomes a 20-foot kit with 2 pieces, which is nice. You buy this piece, and you can turn this into a 10-foot kit or a 20-foot kit. So if you're only need 10 feet or less, you can just use 1/2 of it. If you need to go 20 feet, then you can use the entire amount, which that's pretty cool. So depending on what you're doing, this might be the one. So this would collapse basically each piece to 25 inches. So that's pretty nice, and that doesn't include the fitting that goes in the ground. That you're going to take off, and that's going to get stored with it or someplace else. So that's the Valterra Easy Coupler sewer hose. Remember, they're the red ones. 18mm, nice quality hose made by Valterra. Valterra's been in the sanitation industry or making sanitation products for a long time. It seems like forever. So they're good at dealing with stinky messes that are in your RV. So check it out. This is the Easy Coupler by Valterra.